I don't know what's cooler though. Sloth right here in our front yard, or Kai's socks.
So what I liked about it was that we got to see these cute little sloths in baskets. We got to see monkeys, baby monkeys, and we learned some fun facts about sloths. And one was that they hold onto the tree, and it's called the sloth dance.
What's the sloth dance? What are they doing when they do the dance?
So they hold onto the tree, and every like 7 or 8 days, they come down because they don't want to waste energy. They hold onto the tree, and they just shake their booty, and then they poop and whiz.
And they lose 1/3 of their body weight when they poop.
Because they've been holding it in for 7 days.
That was so much fun. It costs about $20 per person to get in. People age 8 and younger are free. But you see so many sloths. You learn all about sloths and monkeys and birds and alligators. And we've been in there for 2 hours. It's definitely a tour worth your while.
Seeing those white-faced monkeys going crazy everywhere in the cages. That's probably what my favorite part was. It's really cool, and they're trying to help the animals locally, and they're trying to, it's like a rehabilitation process, I guess, and they have like different cages, and the government doesn't fund it, so people can go in, and if you go take a tour here, it actually helps the animals, and it also helps the center to keep doing what they're doing.
So far, Manzanillo wins. There are fewer stretches of beach, but there's more shade, there's more tide pools. Overall, this has been our favorite so far. Who liked Manzanillo? I think it's been our favorite beach so far, yeah?
Yeah. Nice to snorkel in. Not crowded. Waves are much calmer than in Geneva. Look at this darling sloth. Just walking across the property where we're staying. Oh my gosh.
This is a wild animal. This is not in the refuge.
Even though they look so cute, you're not supposed to touch them. Oh my god.
Dad, can I go get my color camera?
You can try it. Which I lose.
Oh, look how slow they walk. Oh my gosh, what a cutie. Hi.
How about smoothie?
I don't know what's cooler though. Sloth right here in our front yard, or Kai's socks. Shoo-wee! He can go wherever he wants.
Remember? Rescue Center.
Go, dude. Stay over here, please. See what he does with the camera. Hope he doesn't eat it.
Kai? No way!
Is he actually gonna try and climb me?
He's tried to climb Kai. He touched you, huh?
Oh, that was so weird. Does that feel cool? Oh, he has a tick on his head.
Hey, look, there's a squirrel up here that just busted into a coconut. He's drinking the milk.
Oh my gosh.
See it?
His fur is so creamy.
So creamy?
Can I just touch
silky.
him? Can I please just touch him?
It's a wild animal, sweetie.
I'll be right back.
Those are some pretty good handfuls. Especially for sloths.
Zzz. Oh, no, that's not electric fence.
Wait, but no, that's a barbed wire fence.
He'll get to the tree first. I think he's done this before.
Oh no.
Movie's back this morning.
Hopefully he doesn't get barbed.
And there's going today.
He's like, oh, this feels so good. Hey, good job, buddy. I could have never done that.
Come on, show your face down here. Please.
It's 2 days in a row. I think it's the lucky socks.
Yeah, thanks.
So here's how they do it. A raccoon distracts the people while the monkeys steal their stuff. We're on to you, mister. We are on to you. We know exactly what you're doing. Hey, you too. We know what you're doing too. These two monkeys grooming each other. Oh.
We're at Cahuita and we're getting ready to go snorkeling out there.
¿Qué viste?
Stingray, lots of